Hello, today we are going to talk about Bajaj Finserv personal loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person are eligible for Bajaj Finserv personal loan. Having monthly salary of more than 38,000 if working in metro cities, if working in rural 27,000. Applicant age should be between 25 year to 59 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 685. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 30,000 to 5 lakh. Rate of interest will be 13.5% to 15%, reducing. Loan tenure means time period of loan. In Bajaj Finserv, time period of loan is 12 months to 36 months. Processing fee will be 1% to 4% of the loan amount. Applicant can foreclose their charges with 4.50 plus GST charges. Part payment is not allowed. FOIR, fixed obligation to income ratio, will be 65% of net salary. Turnaround time is 1 day for confirmation and 3 days for disbursement. Processing mode will be online. OD product is not available. BT Plus top-up is also not available. Co-applicant is not mandatory. Location coverage will be Pan-India. Employer vintage should be 2 years. His or her minimum job experience should be 6 months. Let's talk about some other points. Salary mode, person who is applying for the personal loan will be eligible. If salary receiving via NEFT, RTGS, IMS, company transfer, he or she will not eligible for a personal loan if applicant is receiving salary in cash, UPI. Let's move on negative industries for applying. They are not eligible if working with following industries like NRI employee whose salary receive in cash and UPI, NGO employee, taxi driver, real estate employee, bartenders, security guards, defense employee, spa and salon employee, 4th grade employee, jewelers employee. Required documents. KYC of applicant like Aadhaar card plus PAN card plus passport size photo. Last 3 month salary slip required. Last 6 month bank statement in PDF. Form 16 of last 2 year. Rent agreement if rented or utility bill if residence is owned. Sanction letter of all current running loan if any. Office ID card or official email ID if any.